Welcome to the Ultimate Review YouTube channel. In this video, we will look at the top 5 Aperture Telescope available on the market. We will consider their product features and values with possible. If you want more information and an update on the products mentioned, check these links in the description. Number 5. Celestron Telescope. Powerful Reflector Telescope. The Celestron Astromaster 140 Newtonian Telescope is a powerful and user-friendly reflector telescope. It features fully coated glass optics, a sturdy and lightweight frame, 2 eyepieces, a star-pointer red dot finder scope, and an adjustable tripod. High-quality 114 optics. The heart of the system is a fully coated 114 primary mirror. The Astromaster mount features 2 slow-motion control knobs that allow you to make precision adjustments to view celestial and terrestrial objects. Quick setup and lightweight frame. This telescope for adults and kids to be used together features a lightweight frame and a manual German equatorial mount for smooth and accurate pointing. Setup is quick and easy with no tools required. Included accessories. We've included 2 eyepieces, a tripod, and a star-pointer red dot finder scope. Accessories also include a free download of one of the top consumer-rated astronomy software programs. Number 4. Meade Telescope. Large, stable German equatorial mount with slow-motion controls makes tracking celestial objects smooth and simple. Proprietary tension control handles. These patented handles allow for accurate movement without the need for perfect balance. Low, 26 mm, medium, 9 mm, and high, 6. 3 magnification eyepieces give you variety for any viewing situation, and 2 Barlow lens doubles the magnifying power of each eyepiece. Red dot viewfinder helps you point your scope at objects you want to observe, and accessory tray stores accessories while observing. Sturdy and lightweight design. When fully assembled, the Dobsonian weighs only 40 pounds fully assembled. Number 3. Orion Telescope. Perhaps the best beginner Dobsonian reflector telescope you can buy. Big 6 aperture at an amazing price. A beginner may use a 6-dim telescope for a few months or years before deciding they need to upgrade to a better telescope. A 6 Dobsonian will give you a lifetime of wonderful views. Simple navigation and no need to polar align makes this Dobsonian reflector telescope extremely easy to use for the whole family. The 6-diameter f/8 parabolic mirror is fantastic for moon and planetary views and also has enough light grasp for deep sky viewing of nebulas, galaxies, and star clusters. The stable Dobsonian base provides a vibration-free image even when viewing at high powers and features smooth enough motions to make tracking of celestial objects a breeze. Number 2. Celestron Telescope. Computerized star locating telescope. The Celestron NexStar 127 is a computerized telescope that offers a database of more than 40,000 stars, galaxies, nebulae, and more. The telescope locates your object with pinpoint accuracy and tracks it. Compact and portable. This telescope for adults and kids to be used together is ideal for weekend camping trips or excursions to dark sky sites. Its compact form factor makes it easy to transport and assemble just about anywhere. Maksudov Cassegrain optical design. The NexStar 127 is the second largest in the SLT family. The 127 aperture gathers enough light to see our solar system and beyond. View Saturn's rings, Jupiter's cloud bands, and the moon in brilliant detail. Fast setup with Skyline. Celestron's proprietary Skyline procedure has you ready to observe in minutes. Simply center any 3 bright objects in the eyepiece, and the NexStar SLT aligns to the night sky. Ready to locate thousands of objects. Bonus free Starry Night software. The NexStar 127 computerized telescope includes a free download of one of the top consumer-rated astronomy software programs for an interactive sky simulation. Number 1. Skywatcher Telescope. Large aperture. Get a bright, bold viewing experience at a fraction of the cost of other optical designs. Innovative collapsible design. Unique strut design allows for optical tube to collapse for ease of portability while keeping collimation. Proprietary tension control handles. These patented handles allow accurate movement without the need for perfect balance. 94% reflective mirrors. Fully multi-coated borosilicate primary and secondary mirrors deliver exceptional views. Teflon bearings. Proprietary Teflon bearings ensure smooth azimuth movement. Comes complete. All accessories such as 2-inch Crayford-style focuser with 1/4-inch adapter, 2 super wide-angle eyepieces, and H50 right-angle finder scope are included with purchase. Sturdy and lightweight design. When fully assembled, the Dobsonian weighs only 40 pounds fully assembled. If you want to buy this product, please check the comment or description link.